Hey everybody, welcome to part 2 of the Window FX projector review, tear down, repair video. In part 1 we took the projector apart, got to see all its bits and pieces. I found that the LED was backwards, the wires were reversed, black was going to positive and red was going to negative. Well, I know that's not universal color code. That's, it's pretty commonly used. Well, they had the LED dye on upside down, which is why they did that. So I flipped the LED and then resoldered it so that the little OCD part of me that cares and will know when this is put back together, I satiated that part. So now just cleaning off the flux, and I cleaned off the LED, just that the phosphors on the front. Let's get that out of the way. Let's get the bottom. We can start setting it back together. Now the thermal switch fuse goes down there. And then this thing just drops right in. And the wire that's supposed to go up to the board, I accidentally got stuck underneath. Let's try that again. There, that goes down there. And the machine screws hold that heat sink to the chassis. Alright, 1 and 2. That's it's a simple, but it's kind of neat the way they got all this technology really to its absolute cheapest construction. I mean, this is the bare minimum that you need to make any sort of projector work. Now, I'm not going to melt that down like they had originally. I was thinking about using tape, but I have some leftover 3M adhesive from my 3D printer heat beds, so I'm just going to use a little bit. I'm just going to use it on this side just to keep it from moving. I really can't do much on the other side easily. And the top should hold it down once we put the black plastic cover back on, but I don't know for sure. There we go. All right. Then there's the black plastic cover. Oh, sorry. Not. First we have the lens assembly. The light lens. So let's tuck that wire out of the way. And bring this wire over as well. There we go. So now that is back over top of the LED. So the LED will shine right through it. Put that screw back in, and the screw goes on the other side. Make sure it's pushed back. like that. That's good. All right. Now, the black plastic cover. This seems to hold everything. That must be the important bit. Then these guys, it looked like these were molded for recess screws, but no, they just have these little narrow ones. These are kind of like the screws they send along with those little cheap blue servos. And this one, hope I got these in the right spot. Make sure. Yeah, all right. Am I short one? No. Looks like there should be one there, but maybe not. Oh well, not going to worry about it. Next, we're going to put the main board back on. So first, I want to go this way to that way, because there's more connections on this side. So first we'll connect the fan, then left speaker, make sure the LED wire is up and the LCD wire is up, and then the right speaker. And we'll set the main board back down, get the connectors back over here on the side. One, two, three, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Quite a few extra. Anyway, these will go here. And I'm not going to put them in all the way just yet. I need to get them in position. I still haven't checked the SD card yet. I will try it, but I will try it on probably an offline computer. Not that I think anybody put anything malicious on there, but it would sure be a great way to infect somebody's computer. Put some malicious code on an SD card, give something a goodwill, and wait for the wait to get a report that it's online. Alright, so those are in. Let's put the LCD back in, and then we'll solder the LED in the right way. And just to prove it, you can see the red wires on the negative. Some nice solder on there, help it out. Alright, that looks good. And these go on the bottom. And I am short one. Am I supposed to be? Man, I don't even know. I'm not going to worry about it. Maybe that one won't get a screw. Okay, the top and the rubber bit that has been flattened. This is what made me open it up, as this was folded over. So let's put it back in. And push it back down. Get some screws in. Maybe I'll look at my screw bin and see if I can find one I can use. These are not high quality screws. They're barely magnetic, and this screwdriver's kind of magnetic. It's magnetic enough where it should be holding them much better. Yeah, see, they're not holding on that screwdriver at all. Let's see. All right, so it's all back together. Those all feel pretty good. Let's get the old power adapter. Okay, no smoke, that's good. Turn my outlet on. Oh, there we go. Check that out. See if I can find a white surface to shine this on. Yeah, this little box will do for right now. So, what's it complaining? It needs it's not remotely in focus. Huh. That's cool. Noisy thing. Bright too. Not bad. It's got something on the screen probably about selecting stuff, but on the camera I can't really, you know, get it focused. Turn off that light so you can kind of see it a little better. Get the idea. I'll turn this one off too. Oh, there we are. Look at that. Slideshow. Slideshow, music, movie. Let's put the SD card in. That's in. There's the buttons. Let's go to slideshow. Return. Let's go with horizontal. Halloween. And it's empty. You get the idea. Maybe I'll set it up and take more video later, but yeah, the Window FX LED projector. Score at Goodwill. Pretty happy about it. Gonna see what kind of fun things I can do. If I have any follow-up videos about any fun projects, or if I figure out how to cram a video input into it, or reverse engineer that chip to get a video input, we'll see. It has a USB, so maybe I can do something there. I don't know. But, as usual, thanks for watching.